Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me we have a beautiful 1961 Pontiac Catalina bubble top powered by a 438 with dual quads. It's a 4-speed. We've got it completely serviced by Keith's Rods and Customs, so they went through everything, rebuilt the carbs. If you want to find out full details on this ride, see underside shots, find out a full description and a motor breakdown, click on the link below. Today we're going to take it for a test drive. We're going to walk around it and showcase it so you guys can make a decision if you want to bid on it on Bring a Trailer. We're going to start off with the overall condition. I'd rate this easily a 8 out of 10 in regards to paint quality, overall fit and finish. And it's completely serviced. We spent about $5,500 going through everything from all the fluids and filters, the brakes, brand new tires that we had shaven to look period correct, and these are date coded 22, and those are actually radials in the rear, so we could put the power down. We just had the exterior polished by East Side Detailing, and they did an amazing job. So bear with me in regards to the dust on there, but this is like a mirror when you look at the photos. Shows extremely well. We're looking at the badging right here on the hood scoop, which is added, and you see 421. This is coming from the era of big body 60s American muscle. They all ruled the drag strip. You've had the Ford Galaxy with the 427 and usually dual quads. You had the Impala with the 409, and then you had the Pontiac Catalina with a 421. This one's built to a 438, and we'll have all the actual engine specs in the description below, so click on that and you'll see underside shots too. It's a 10:3:1 compression, so you can run 93 octane and not have to worry about it. It has pistons, rods, the whole 9 yards. All the chrome throughout is show quality. A couple of the rear pieces have a little bit of just dimples in the chrome, but not rust. When you look at the front end, still all original. You do have a little bit of oxidation on this chrome right here, but this is just a beautiful front end. And when we're talking about business, let's just start off with the front, because that's what you guys want to see. So there's a 438. We just had the carburetors rebuilt. Brakes were gone through as well. And I want you to look at that engine bay and how clean it is. You have the billet valve covers. You actually have 2 Catalinas on top. MSD ignition. All the suspension was gone through as well. Big aluminum radiator. And then take a look at this. So you have your fresh air coming in right here through that scoop, and it goes right to the carburetors. You have your flame arresters. This is just neat. Power brakes. As we go down the driver's side, I want you to look at how straight the body is. You can actually see me in the reflection. There's no waviness. Wheels are in great shape, so those are the PMD 8-lug wheels, and the center caps are great as well. Your roof line, so you've got that bubbly roof line right there with extremely nice glass. All the glass goes up and down easily, and all the glass is in great condition, as is the chrome that surrounds it. Interior simple. Interior has been redone with a two-tone seat, and I have the receipts for this actually. Your dash looks original. It still has the vacuum style power or economy gauge. You have your Pontiac tack, and then you have your dummy gauges, is what I would call them. Your oil pressure, water temperature, and voltage, because your dash only has illumination lights for if it gets hot. Rear glass is very nice, and it seals up nicely. Quarters are in great shape. It's nice. When you look underneath here, you're going to see that it does have basically subframe connectors, or traction bars. It has traction bars underneath here and a big sway bar set so you can lay the power out. It has dual 3-inch exhaust, which we're going to test out today. And I'm sorry, but I'm going to put this thing through the paces. I just put a ton of money in it so we can have fun in it, and you guys can enjoy this video and then bid on it. And once you own it, you don't have to drive it how I'm going to drive it. Trunk is like a mirror as well. We just had it polished. No swirls. Inside the trunk is very clean, no rust. You can see under the mat too. New tank as well. Nice and solid. Spare tire, and your battery is located in the trunk. It's extremely clean, and they're not loose, they're nice and tight. Passenger side's the same as the driver's side, and I love how the exhaust dumps out right to the rear tire. When you open up the interior, I didn't do it on the driver's side, I'll do that for you. All the door edges are super solid. This one has a little bit of scaling on the front end, but not bad. Underneath is nice and solid too. The frame does have scaling, so it's like slight little rust spots, but not going through the metal itself. And we just tell you that because we're going to be upfront and honest for the sale. We want to keep you coming back and understand what we're listing. So once you buy a car from us, you'll know where our rating scale is, and you'll be able to make a better decision on the next one that you get. Door closes nicely. Royal Bobcat insignia here. Oh, it's just beautiful. We're going to take it to a closed road today and test out the launch abilities and go through the gears second and third and see how it does. These tires are brand new. They look like they are original from the era, but they are brand new. Let me start it real quick for you. No gas. Oh yes. Sounds really good. Jump in it, we'll go for a test drive. All right, so the block is a 62 block. Heads are 62 as well. We're gonna have all the casting numbers and everything broken down in the actual listing, so you'll be able to see that. We're gonna let this warm up properly. We'll take it on Marina Mile. I drove this back from Keith's Rods and Customs with no issues. All I got were thumbs ups. The new tires are actually amazing, and we went through a lot of little things to make sure that we have no issues in regards to brakes, driveline, the whole 9 yards. Going through the gears is really easy. Oh my gosh. It steers easy. You ever been in a car like this? Mm-hmm. So we had a 63 Galaxy with a 427 FE motor and green tag carbs. I think we have 1 million views on it. Really? And we filled it with our iPhone. So this is a comparable car, black as well. And I would like to see this one hit those numbers too. We're gonna bang through the gears, give you guys all the details in the description below, and let you guys bid on it and see if you're gonna win it. Temperature's at 150. I'd like it to get a little bit hotter before we actually drive it hard. But it's super smooth. Our oil pressure right now is 55 pounds at 150 degrees. We're charging. Listen to that. That's third gear. Fourth. Downshifts are easy. Turn signal works. I don't know what gear ratio it is in the rear. It feels like you could actually drive it on the highway, so it might have a lower gear ratio. We'll find out in the documents. This thing needs like a 430 gears to have some real fun with sticky tires. Oh my gosh. I'm just driving it regularly right now. We're in second. Right when we hit that straight, we can give it a little bit more gas. So we're in second gear right now. You ready? You're gonna hear the secondaries for both carbs open up.
Not ready. Go.
really smooth, and you feel the secondaries open up, so it's like linear power and then all the power. So we'll test it out again right now. I think I'm going to try to do a first gear roll here. We've got good temperature now. So first thing we're going to do is warm up the tires a little bit. All right. Yeah, buddy. All right, let's take this corner here. This feels good, right? It's like you're floating.
It's like asking for more.
I know. I'm only shifting at like 4,500.
Yeah.
I don't want to wring it out. I'm sure some Pontiac guys would be like, you can shift it at 6,800 RPMs, and you're missing a lot of opportunity there for growth. Yeah, I'm shifting early and I'm being a baby on the clutch. Yes, yes, yes. If you guys have any questions about this ride, give us a call, 954-363-2261. I am having a blast. This thing is eating a ton of gas. We're gonna get you guys some outside shots so you can decide if this is what you want to purchase. But runs and drives perfect, completely serviced, brand new tires, brand new brakes, the whole 9 yards, carburetor's rebuilt. So if you're looking for black beauty, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed that test drive. If you have any questions, give us a call, 954-363-2261. This is a black beauty.